We're going for a paddle in Lough Owel. It's a beautiful spring lake whose crystal clear waters feed the whole of the Royal Canal. One thing we get for all our rain here in Ireland is a network of waterways to canoe. The nice thing about the open canoe is that it's easy to crew with a network of people around you rather than just those people with a higher skill set. I was fascinated to see the length of Ireland was paddled last year from Donegal all the way down to Waterford. And so my little crew and I will follow them in spirit, although I think not in distance.
There's our island around the corner, Tom, you see? I wonder if we can paddle around it. We'll see if there's some place we can get onto it. Lovely.
To be safe on Lough Owel in January, we brought a good understanding of the weather, a very solid forecast. We paddled a lee shore so that if it all went awry, our gear would follow us ashore. And we chose a shallow shore. Most of where we paddled, you could walk. We brought a dry bag with a change of clothes for all, life jackets, food, and a hot drink. Why travel here in winter? Well, because it is winter. But also the colours, I often think, are even more spectacular in winter than summer. Autumn would be stunning.
How am I going to get to the island?
We're going to paddle around it until we see somewhere that's hard enough to get onto. And that's the big plan.
But I see a clear bit over there.
Do you?
Yeah. Oh yes, there is.
And this would be the perfect spot as well because it's not windy here. Look how clear the water is, guys. Look outside.
Nice.
Okay, we can go in now, guys. Okay, I'm coming to let you know.
I'm probably going to be the easiest one to carry.
Yeah.
For me, the story of this loch starts only a couple of days ago, walking out from work with a friend who mentioned Lough Owel, a spring lake with crystal clear waters, several islands, and its own population of freshwater crayfish. Maybe it's just now that I have kids that I try to see things as they see them while trying to show them what I have seen. Maybe this is like looking through a binoculars the other way, looking back on home from afar and realizing there's a whole world in here at home. How did I not know about this beautiful loch when it's only an hour from my home? How do tourists tell us about so many places in our own home to which we have never been? I know about New South Wales, New York, Vancouver and Big Falls, Antarctica, Andorra, and how do I know these places and not a little gem just an hour up the road from where I live? I suspect advertising is the culprit. I think, though, that for some time I may have been using the wrong magnification to view adventure. Before launching here, as with many lakes, you need to hot water wash your boat or dry it out for a month to avoid infestation. Also, out here on these islands, you will see things I cannot begin to explain. Next time, I think I'll bring a bin bag because this place is beautiful. It would be worth it to be a part of it.